Imagine a computer so small that it disappears into your workspace, yet so powerful that it challenges everything we once believed about performance and size. For years, the idea that a tiny desktop could outperform a massive, expensive workstation felt unrealistic, almost like science fiction. Traditional thinking told us that power required space, that high performance meant large towers packed with fans, cables, and heat-generating components. But that assumption is now being completely rewritten by Apple Inc. and its relentless push into custom silicon. The upcoming M5 Mac Mini is shaping up to be more than just another upgrade. It represents a complete transformation of what a desktop computer can be. It challenges the very foundation of how we measure computing power and efficiency, and it does so in a form factor that fits in the palm of your hand. For over a decade, the Mac Mini carried a reputation that was hard to shake. It was seen as the entry-level Mac, the affordable gateway into the macOS ecosystem. People bought it because it was cheap, not because it was powerful. It quietly existed in the background, handling basic tasks like browsing, office work, or light productivity. It was dependable, but never exciting. It wasn't the machine professionals dreamed about owning, nor was it the centerpiece of a high-performance setup. Instead, it was often tucked away behind monitors or hidden in server closets, doing its job without drawing attention. But that identity began to shift dramatically when Apple introduced its own silicon, starting with the revolutionary Apple M1 chip. That moment marked the beginning of a new era, one where efficiency and power could coexist in ways the industry had never seen before. As Apple continued to refine its chip technology through successive generations like the M2, M3, and M4, the Mac Mini slowly evolved from a budget device into something far more capable. By the time the M4 version arrived, it was already proving that compact desktops could handle serious workloads. But now, in 2026, the leap to the M5 is expected to be something entirely different. This is not just a routine improvement. It is a massive technological jump that could redefine the entire desktop market. Built on an advanced 3-nanometer process, the new chip pushes the boundaries of physics itself, packing billions of transistors into an incredibly small space. These transistors are so tiny that they are nearly impossible to visualize, yet they deliver unprecedented levels of speed and efficiency. One of the most shocking aspects of the M5 chip is its graphics performance. Reports suggest a staggering 45% increase in GPU power compared to the previous generation. In an industry where even a 10% improvement is considered significant, a leap of this magnitude is almost unheard of. For creative professionals like video editors, 3D artists, and designers, this changes everything. Tasks that once took minutes or even hours to render could now be completed almost instantly. This level of performance eliminates the frustrating delays that often interrupt creative workflows, allowing users to stay fully immersed in their work. It creates a seamless experience where the technology fades into the background and creativity takes center stage. What makes this achievement even more impressive is how Apple manages heat and power efficiency. Traditionally, powerful computers generate a lot of heat, requiring large cooling systems and noisy fans to keep temperatures under control. This has always been one of the biggest limitations of compact devices. However, Apple's approach turns this problem on its head. By designing highly efficient chips and introducing innovations like thermal distribution systems and advanced packaging techniques, the M5 Mac Mini can deliver extreme performance without excessive heat or noise. It remains quiet and cool even under heavy workloads, something that was once impossible for a machine of this size. Another major factor driving the importance of the M5 Mac Mini is Apple's focus on artificial intelligence. With the introduction of Apple Intelligence, the company is shifting toward a future where powerful AI capabilities run directly on local devices rather than relying on cloud servers. The neural engine in the M5 chip is rumored to be significantly faster than its predecessor, enabling real-time AI processing for tasks like video enhancement, language processing, and complex data analysis. This means users can run advanced AI models directly on their own machines, without needing an internet connection or worrying about privacy concerns. It represents a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology, bringing powerful AI tools directly to our desks. Of course, all this innovation comes at a cost. The Mac Mini has long been known as the most affordable Mac, but that identity is likely to change with the M5 generation. The advanced components, cutting-edge manufacturing processes, and new production strategies all contribute to a higher price point. Apple's decision to move part of its production to the United States, particularly to facilities in Texas, marks a significant shift in its global manufacturing strategy. This move offers greater control over production and reduces reliance on overseas supply chains, but it also increases costs. As a result, the starting price of the M5 Mac Mini is expected to rise, potentially making it less accessible as a budget option. However, this price increase also reflects a shift in the device's purpose. The M5 Mac Mini is no longer just an entry-level computer. It is becoming a true powerhouse designed for professionals and demanding users. With faster storage speeds, improved memory bandwidth, and enhanced connectivity features like Wi-Fi 7, it offers a level of performance that rivals much larger and more expensive systems. It is no longer just a small desktop. It is a compact supercomputer capable of handling complex workloads with ease. In many ways, the M5 Mac Mini represents the future of computing. It bridges the gap between casual users and professionals, offering a single device that can adapt to a wide range of needs. Whether you are a student, a business owner, or a creative professional, this machine has the power to handle almost anything you throw at it. It challenges the traditional notion that performance must come at the expense of size and efficiency, proving that it is possible to have both. Ultimately, the M5 Mac Mini is more than just a new product. It is a statement. It shows that Apple is no longer content with following industry trends, but is actively redefining them. By combining cutting-edge hardware, advanced AI capabilities, and a bold new manufacturing strategy, the company is positioning itself at the forefront of the next generation of computing. The name Mini may no longer do justice to what this device represents, because there is nothing small about its impact.